In a market often obsessed with interchangeable lenses and full-frame dominance, Panasonic's Lumix ZS99 steps in to remind us that the travel zoom category still has plenty of life and innovation left in it. This isn't a camera trying to outmuscle professional DSLRs or mirrorless giants. It's a tool designed for those who value portability, versatility, and an all-in-one solution for capturing the world. Building upon the success of the ZS200, the ZS99 isn't just a small bump in specs. It's a reimagined travel companion that brings modern sensor technology, refined optics, hybrid connectivity, and even advanced stabilization into a remarkably compact body. With its extended zoom range, upgraded processor, and surprising video chops, it aims to be the ultimate always-with-you camera for 2025. In this deep dive review, we'll explore every aspect of the ZS99, from design and ergonomics to sensor performance, Panasonic's color rendering, autofocus evolution, video capability, and even its new LAN features. So, grab your carry-on bag and let's find out why the Lumix ZS99 might be one of the most well-rounded travel cameras of the year. The Lumix ZS series has always been about packing big capability into a truly portable form, and the ZS99 pushes that philosophy further. At a glance, it retains the sleek, understated profile that slips easily into a small bag or jacket pocket, but in hand, you'll feel the refinements. The body is crafted from a mix of lightweight magnesium alloy and reinforced polycarbonate, keeping weight low while maintaining structural integrity. The camera is now fully weather-sealed, a first for the ZS line, allowing adventurous shooters to keep going in light rain or dusty conditions without a second thought. Panasonic has slightly reshaped the grip, adding a textured rubber finish for a more secure hold during extended shooting. Physical controls are well laid out, with a responsive mode dial, customizable function buttons, and a tactile zoom lever that feels precise rather than twitchy. The rear LCD is now a 3-inch, 1.84 megadot, fully articulating touchscreen, perfect for selfies, vlogging, or shooting from unconventional angles. Above it sits an upgraded 2.36 megadot electronic viewfinder, with improved refresh rates and better color accuracy, making composition more enjoyable in bright daylight. One standout is the redesigned zoom lens barrel, which feels smoother and quieter, especially when transitioning through its impressive 24 to 480mm equivalent range. The built-in lens cap mechanism now opens faster and more reliably, a small but meaningful improvement for travel shooters who need to be ready at a moment's notice. Overall, the ZS99 keeps the ultra-compact spirit alive, but introduces just enough refinement to make it a tougher, more premium, and more comfortable camera for the road. At the heart of the Lumix ZS99 is Panasonic's latest 1-inch 24.2 megapixel BSI-CMOS sensor paired with the Venus Engine X processor. This is a major upgrade over the ZS200's 20 megapixel chip, delivering not just more resolution, but better low-light performance and improved tonal depth. The backside illuminated design boosts light gathering efficiency, helping the ZS99 produce cleaner files at higher ISOs. A critical improvement for travel photography where lighting is often unpredictable. The lens, a Leica DC Vario Elmar, 24 to 480mm of 3.3 to 6.4, has also received subtle optical refinements, with improved coatings to reduce ghosting and flare. Despite the ambitious zoom range, the lens delivers commendable sharpness across most of the frame, especially in the mid-zoom region. At the wide end, landscapes come through with crisp details, and at the long end, the image stabilization system works hard to keep telephoto shots sharp. Dynamic range performance is excellent for a 1-inch sensor, giving enough flexibility to recover both shadows and highlights in raw processing. JPEG output straight from the camera shows Panasonic's improved tonal curves, with smoother transitions and less aggressive noise reduction compared to older models. High ISO performance is usable up to ISO 6400, with ISO 12800 serving as an emergency option that still holds up for smaller prints or web use. For a category often written off as good enough for casual shooting, The ZS99's imaging capabilities make a strong case that compact travel zooms can deliver results worthy of serious photographers, especially those who prioritize convenience without sacrificing image quality. Panasonic's color science has evolved steadily over the years, and the ZS99 benefits from the latest refinements found in their higher-end Lumix G and S series cameras. Out of the box, JPEGs show a more natural balance, with skin tones appearing warmer and more lifelike than in earlier ZS models. Colors feel rich without tipping into oversaturation, a welcome trait for travel photography, where accuracy is just as important as vibrancy. The ZS99 includes a robust selection of photo styles, ranging from standard, vivid, and natural, to more cinematic options like Cinelike D2 and Cinelike V2, giving you flexibility whether you're shooting stills or video. There's also a new travel preset, tuned for deep blues, lush greens, and gentle contrast, perfect for landscapes and cityscapes. White balance performance has been improved with smarter algorithms that adapt quickly to mixed lighting, keeping indoor shots free from strange color casts. As with Panasonic's more advanced models, you can fine-tune color, contrast, sharpness, and noise reduction directly in camera, allowing you to create custom looks that reflect your style without post-processing. For photographers who like to dial in their look before pressing the shutter, the ZS99 provides an in-camera L monochrome D mode with adjustable grain, producing timeless black and white imagery ideal for street scenes. All told, Panasonic's latest color pipeline ensures that the ZS99 delivers pleasing, consistent results straight out of the camera. An important advantage for travelers who want to shoot, share, and move on without hours of editing. One of the Panasonic ZS99's most significant upgrades is its advanced autofocus system. At its core is Panasonic's latest Phase Hybrid AF, a sophisticated blend of contrast and phase detection points spread across nearly the entire frame. This wider coverage ensures subjects are tracked reliably, no matter where they appear. Subject recognition has also taken a notable leap forward. The ZS99 can now identify and track people, animals, birds, cars, and even trains, making it more versatile for real-world shooting scenarios, whether you're photographing wildlife in motion, street scenes, or fast-paced events. Face and eye detection has been refined to be remarkably sticky, maintaining precise focus even when the subject turns away or moves unpredictably. For action, the ZS99 impresses with up to 12 fps burst shooting via its mechanical shutter, or an even faster 20 fps with the electronic shutter. The expanded buffer capacity allows for extended burst sequences before any slowdown occurs, a welcome improvement for sports and wildlife photographers. Responsiveness has also been enhanced across the board. Touch AF feels snappier and more precise. Menu navigation is noticeably faster, and the Q menu continues to shine as one of the most efficient ways to access frequently used settings without digging deep into menus. The fully articulating LCD screen makes it easy to frame shots from challenging high or low angles, while the improved EVF refresh rate helps reduce lag when tracking moving subjects, creating a more natural shooting experience. Battery life is rated at around 400 shots per charge, and with USB-C charging support, you can conveniently top up the battery from a power bank, a practical feature for travel or extended days out shooting. Physical controls are well laid out and intuitive, but advanced users will appreciate the ability to customize button functions to match their workflow. Overall, the ZS99 delivers the most responsive and adaptable performance in the series to date. It successfully bridges the gap between the simplicity of a casual point-and-shoot and the control expected by enthusiast photographers, making it a versatile companion for a wide range of shooting styles. While the Panasonic Lumix ZS99 is primarily designed as a stills-oriented travel camera, its video capabilities are surprisingly advanced for its class. It offers oversampled 4K recording at up to 60p, ensuring sharp detail and rich color, while also providing 5.2K recording at 30p for creators who want extra resolution for cropping or reframing in post-production. For those aiming at professional-grade results, the ZS99 supports 10-bit 422 internal recording, along with Panasonic's Cinelike D2 and V2 profiles, delivering flatter, more gradable footage ideal for color correction and cinematic looks. Autofocus performance in video mode is equally impressive. Subject tracking remains smooth and reliable, even at the extreme telephoto end of its 480mm zoom, making it ideal for capturing distant subjects without losing focus. The real standout, however, is its stabilization system. Panasonic's 5-axis hybrid IS works in tandem with the lens's optical image stabilization, resulting in remarkably steady footage, even when shooting handheld at maximum zoom. This makes it a powerful tool for travel vloggers and documentary shooters who want gimbal-like stability without the bulk of extra equipment. A pleasant surprise for this category is the inclusion of LAN and wireless workflow integration. Through the USB-C port or built-in Wi-Fi, users can tether directly to a laptop, instantly transfer images to a smartphone or tablet, or even upload media directly to a cloud service or FTP server. This feature is particularly valuable for travel journalists, content creators, and remote professionals who need rapid delivery without juggling multiple cables. In short, the Lumix ZS99 evolves far beyond the role of a pocketable stills camera. It's a genuine hybrid travel companion, capable of producing high-quality photos, stable cinematic video, and streamlined connectivity for today's fast-paced, mobile creative workflows. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.